this close period that you have to have for 4 months on the showground, which I find quite weird and bizarre, because how can a business survive when your whole business is shut down for 4 months due to planning and things like that? So can you tell me a bit more about this?
Yes, when
So I'm just off to the Newbury Showground to do a bit of filming with Steve Agri and also get my pictures for the next Out and About. So, sorry, climbing in the cab. So I'm just off to do that. That's why I'm not in my farm wear. Been doing some filming this morning, which you'll see soon, and now I'm back off taking the tractor. Little photo shoot. It's been a bit hectic today. I haven't managed to actually stop, so I'm off to the Newbury Showground, and I'm going to talk to Steve and learn a bit about the history of the showground, because this year is the first year the Newbury show is going to run since COVID. So I thought it would be really good to demonstrate this and show this in one of my articles I write. So I'm off to do that now. Get a bit of footage with Steve, which I'll show you in a bit, with the 8R. So I better put my phone down and actually drive now, because we don't want to crash. That would be an absolute disaster. And hopefully show everyone what an amazing place we have in West Berkshire of the Newbury Showground. So I'm not in my normal farm wear. I've got a jacket on, so that is why I don't normally go farming like this, just to let you all know. So I'm just off now in the tractor. So I'm here with Steve at the Newbury Showground with the castle building behind us. I don't know if any of you recognise it. So I just wanted to say what a wonderful place this is, and what an amazing facility we have here in West Berkshire and Berkshire. And I really want to showcase this, and it's going to be in my next few articles in my Out and About, and also a bit over my YouTube and socials, to just show everyone what an amazing asset we have that is actually a bit underutilised. So what's your role in this society, Steve?
I'm the chairman of the Board of Trustees.
Yeah.
So basically, as a board, we oversee the running of the society.
So we were just chatting, and you were telling me about this close period that you have to have for 4 months on the showground, which I find quite weird and bizarre, because how can a business survive when your whole business is shut down for 4 months due to planning and things like that? So can you tell me a bit more about this?
Yes, when the building that you see behind us, when planning permission was granted for the building, we have some S106 restrictions currently in place on the site, right. And it is a closed period from the 1st of December through to the 26th of March, and it's very limited what we can do on the showground. Well, almost nothing. The showground we fully accept because of the ground conditions, etc. But it is I think 35,000 square feet building that sits idle for nearly 4 months of the year.
It's such a shame. We've got a fantastic building which you could be utilising, making money, bringing people in, getting people involved, getting people out in the countryside, and you can't use it. Not even the roads to have access.
No, exactly.
The fields I understand, because it could be muddy, you know. But
yes,
the building,
exactly. The building, yes. Yeah, it is something we are actively working on with West Berks Council to hopefully get some of the restrictions eased.
So as a young person, a woman in ag, people championing this industry, why are we not utilising it? I think we should, if anyone is watching this and they can help me, please get in contact, because there's a building there that we could be helping people as well with this within the agricultural sector, promoting farming, promoting food production. So I know whilst I've been here and what you've been telling me, you do lots of different things here, such as dog shows. What else do you do?
We have a couple of 4x4 spares day during the year. We have the Warner's Motorhome Show.
Caravans, yeah.
Retrofest. Berkshire Young Farmers hold their annual show here.
Yep.
And the probably the focus of the society is our Newbury show.
Newbury show, which everyone knows about if you live here. But the motorhomes, the dog shows, the 4x4s, just some of the things. The gardener show, I think you said earlier.
The garden show. We have young drivers use the site, or the roads on the site where the younger children can safely drive around the showground before they can go on the road.
So that's actually good for your children if you're watching, or you younger people. If you want to have a go in a car before you can actually go on the road, then at the Newbury Showground they actually hold events where you can have a go, which is quite exciting. So we've got an Ellie's Welly, and thank you to Barts again. Just a reminder, at the top there we've got the 24th Findon, which was on my last Ellie's Welly. So that's the 24th in Findon for the VI workshops. We've also got a few coming up. I'm going to rattle through a few just because they're coming up soon. So 24th is on Tuesday, and then also we've got 26th of January at Plumpton College. We've got another one there, and the 26th they're doing two at the same time at the Hampshire Hog. I'm also going to be attending, so I might see you there. And also on Thursday, the 31st of January, the last one in January, in Hampshire. And we also have one on the 1st, Wednesday the 1st, at Rowdefield Farm. We need more people for this one. I think I'm going to be attending and doing some talking, so it'd be great to see you all there. It's good. Winter, why don't you make it use of the winter? Well, it's a bit less busy on the farm. Get points, get lunch, see everyone. And thank you. There's also one on Thursday the 2nd in West Sussex as well. And Exeter, but I will come to them closer to the time. This is the Ellie's Welly at the moment, so we've got one on the 24th in Findon next Tuesday, which I did in my last Ellie's Welly, and also the 26th in Plumpton, and one at a Hampshire Hog. So whatever's closest to you, you might as well go to. It's really good to get just a feel for it. Get your points. You need your points. You might as well do it in the winter. I know it's sunny where I am now for some reason, but it was frosty this morning. I've also got Bart's newsletter, which I've been reading through. It's excellent, by the way. We can really see it shows you all the dates. We've also got crop nutrition conference as well, which is good to attend. Oops, get some lunch. And all about what's going on in the markets at the moment. So have you read it? I have. It's really good. If not, if you want to sign up to it, go to the website at Bartholomew's. I'm sure you can sign up right there. I'll put the link below. But yep, thank you again, Barts, for sponsoring Ellie's Welly. We've got a few dates coming up, and don't forget to attend.
to promote agriculture to the public. My vision, I suppose, is the word. If we can finance the society by the letting of the showground, when it comes to Newbury show itself, we can just focus on promoting agriculture to the public and not have to be so commercial. Yeah, if we can finance the society with the showground, and then the show itself can just focus on agriculture.
Perfect. Finished filming. I'm in the different vehicle. Dan has taken the tractor home because he decided to come with me. Got Mum in the car. She also came as film crew support. Done filming, learnt quite a lot about the showground, looked at all the history, looked at photos, learnt about the planning. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that. 4 months closed. Anyway, on the positive side, amazing society that we've got right at our doorstep that we need to utilise more and promote the agricultural industry. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Hopefully this is going to help me promote agriculture, show where food comes from, and also help pay my student loan off. But anyways, thank you and see you soon.